Hey, this is Ken with Casual Furniture World. Today we'll be looking at our Carolina Campfire and Bonfire and how to light those pallets, because sometimes it can be a hindrance if your pallet goes out. Let's take a look. All right, so this knob right here, like I was telling you, that's what we're going to use. You see it's on the off position right now. If your pilot light is out and it's not on the off position, make sure you take it to that position. You'll see here in the middle is the IGN, the ignition, and then your at your 6 o'clock is your pilot. So as we light the pilot, you'll notice I'll keep it at the pilot location, and then when you turn your unit on, which you can do manually or you can do via your remote, it will then ignite your set. So we're going to take a look at how we light our pilot assembly right now. So you are going to need one of these extended lighters. This makes your job a lot easier. Like I said, that pilot assembly is right here on the front right. So we're going to go to our left knob, compress it in, push in, that releases gas into the pilot. Take our lighter, put it right over where the pilot is, that lights it. You want to hold that for about 15 seconds. That allows the pilot assembly to heat up, and then just turn it down to 6 o'clock. That's your pilot position, and decompress, and your pilot is lit. So this is your Carolina Bonfire. I want you to see on the back right side of this burner is where your pilot assembly is right there. So that's where you'll have to put your extended lighter. As we look down here, this one's a little easier. The valve's up front here, and it has the same configuration. The only difference is your pilot is at the 9 o'clock rather than the 6. So you will turn your knob to the left. So as you can see, lighting your Carolina Campfire and your Bonfire is not too tough. If this video wasn't helpful today, you can go to the manual that was included on your installation, and there'll be lighting and instructions as well. All right, thank you so much.